Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Narisma from Narisma Desa, participant of the virtual engagement lecture program. So now I'm going to do my assignment given by my trainers. One is how to use Whiteboard in Zoom. So let's go to this part first. This is a Zoom meeting. I'm Zoom meeting now. So in order to share for the whiteboard, you just go to this line and then you have the green color here and you just click here. So you have the whiteboard here. So you can share this one. So this is a whiteboard that have insert a few things here. So this is the thing that you can do in this whiteboard. Let's say if you don't want this one, you can erase it. So this is a whiteboard. And then if you want to put text, you can say hello. And then if you want to draw something, let's say this is okay, this one. And also if you want to stamp something, say okay, you have this one. And this is how to use the whiteboard. You can save it also for future save it and refer back if you want to look at what you have done before. Now I'm going to show, so stop this one. So now I'm going to show you how to use the Jamboard. This is my second assignment. So before that you need to go to the Google. You just type the Jamboard first. Yes, this one Jamboard. And so this is the Jamboard. You can share it from the Google. This is your Google. So you want to share with your student. This is you can see where is the Jamboard here. This one. So share to your student. Okay, this is how to use a Jamboard. First, you look at this insert. You want to do new Jamboard. You just create this new Jamboard, and then you will appear this one. So let's say that you rename it with new name. Let's say JP Pro. So the thing that you can do is here. If you want to try, you want to write by using pen, just like you write is as usual. Say that you say hi, hi, and also you can insert for the image. So let's say I have image here. Picture, take it here. What image? Okay, say I want to put image. It will take time because it depend on your network. So this is the image that I have pasted here. So if you want your student collaborate in inserting something in this Jamboard, you can ask them to do so by share this Jamboard to the student. So if you want to share it this one. So get the link here. But okay, before you give a student this link, make sure that this restriction you change to editor, so the student can join you to write whatever they want to in this Jamboard. So it's done already. So your student can write whatever they want in this Jamboard. You can ask them in any page because Jamboard have many page here. So if you can ask them to insert or write in page 4 or 3. Okay, that's all from me regarding of the Jamboard and Whiteboard. Thank you.